Transferring data to history is beneficial because it can help speed up your system when using everyday lookups and removes unnecessary information from your everyday reports. The history can always be viewed in certain reports. To transfer club inventory receipts to history, start by selecting your company, followed by the AP subledger. For the transfer type, select either Current to History to specify dates and receipts to be transferred to history, or History to Current to specify dates and receipts to be transferred out of history. In the Master Receipt Receiving Dates, Suppliers, and Master Receipt Numbers sections, set the dates, suppliers, and receipts to either All, Range, or Selected, and set the From and To dates or Selected accordingly. Select the Transfer Receipts even if it is not fully invoiced option if you want a receipt to transfer to history even if it's not fully invoiced. It is recommended to select the Print a Report option and run a preview before running an update. If printing a report, use the Sort Report By dropdown to determine the sort order of the report. The page break selection fields will become available based on the Sort Report By option chosen. Use the Print button to open the Where Would You Like It Printed window, or use the Export button to open the Export to Excel window. Once you have printed or exported the preview, you will receive a prompt asking if you would like to run the update. Select Yes to proceed. You can view historical receipts through the following club inventory inquiries. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.